Good morning, Penridge. My name is Josh Lawrance, and I'm here with your weather lunch for the day. Today is April 22nd, a day stay at home on your academic calendar. The weather today, it's going to be a high 49 and a low 33 and should be sunny. For lunch today, it is whatever you can find in your fridge or cabinet. That is all for this segment. Have a good day, Penridge, and enjoy the next segment.
Hey guys, it's Emma. Today I'm teaching you a recipe I saw on TikTok and I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but let's try it. Start by brewing coffee. Then you're going to pour your coffee into this mug. Not this mug, your own mug, but yeah. Then put it into the freezer because I'm impatient. In a separate cup, you're going to put 1 ounce of milk and then you're going to add 3 ounces of whipped cream. Next, you're going to add a little bit of salt into that, a little bit of vanilla extract, not that much, that was way too much. This definitely looks awful, but now we're going to shake it up. After that, we're going to add a little bit of honey to it. Then we're going to put the now cold coffee into a cup. Don't spill it like I did, that's embarrassing. Then pour the mixture into the coffee, just like creamer. Mix it up and add a little bit of maple syrup to it, and you're done. Hopefully this is good because this did take a long time to make. That is disgusting.
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Maisie, her sister.
And Maisie is a TA in the Council Rock School District, and she knows a little bit of conversational American Sign Language. So she's going to be teaching us just a few signs that we can learn at home.
Okay, so American Sign Language is a manual language and it heavily relies on your hand gestures and your facial expression. So it might seem a little funky or uncomfortable when you're first learning how to do it, but your facial expressions need to be like super pronounced when you're assigning to somebody because that's how you portray emotion. So first of all, when you're signing to somebody, you first have to get their attention and you're not speaking. So you can tap them on the shoulder, you can wave hello. You need to make sure that you're facing each other so you can see your signs and your hand gestures clearly. So you can wave, hi, how are you? I would say, hi, your name. So you see like my face, like my eyebrows are really furrowed because I'm asking a question. So it's hi.
Hi.
You point to the person you're talking to, your name, what? Zoe would respond, my name, and then she'd finger spell her name.
So mine is Z-O-E.
And mine, when finger spelled, is M-A-I-Z-Y. And then we could say, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. And then you could say, thank you. So more conversation stuff, I could ask how Zoe's doing after we had introduced each other. How are you? So there's just how are, and then you point to the person, how are you? And then she could say, I'm happy. Again, it's your face, so you gotta, Okay, so we'll put all of it together and we'll go super slow so you can see which signs are being used in a conversational way, okay?
Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you so much, Maisie, for helping me out. I hope you guys can start practicing at home, and we'll see you later. Thanks. Off to the next segment.
Thank you, whoever. I'm Evan Lechowicz, and I'm disorganized, but I got your announcement, so let's get started. From the College and Career Center, applications are being accepted for the Pearl S. Buck International's Global Leadership Program 2020 Summer Sessions. The program is for students in grades 9 through 11 and is designed to help young adults become better students, college applicants, and global citizens. Students can build relationships and learn vital skills such as team communication, cultural awareness, creativity, community service, leadership, goal setting, and decision-making in a group setting with teens from multiple high schools and differing backgrounds. Students are invited now to apply for summer session number 1. The application deadline is June 22nd, 2020. Classes will be the week of July 13th to the 17th, 2020. More information and the application can be picked up at pearlsbuck.org/leadership, so pick up that application. And from Student Council, we got your votes and the results are in. Congrats to the new officers, President Shake Rourke, Vice President Aidan McGinnis, Treasurer Ben Steinman, Corresponding Secretary Brooklyn Hudgens, and Recording Secretary Abby McNavage. Congratulations, guys. And lastly, from the library, this week is National Library Week. To celebrate, the library is taking a contest to Instagram to answer this question. What are you reading, Penridge? Personally, I have just been working a lot, but just post a picture of your reading material, whether it is a textbook, poem, ebook, news article, cereal box, online site, etc. Bonus likes for adding yourself in the photo. Eligible posts must be tagged at Penridge Library from Monday 9 a.m. to Friday 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Each Instagram post is a separate entry. A random post at the end will be given a prize. Come on, staff and students of Penridge, start posting. And that's it for us here at the Daily Ramble. Have a great day, stay safe, Penridge, and we'll see you tomorrow.